Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips whenever we are trading. We'll be having another edition of it again tonight. If you are just joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Take your time to browse through the channel. I'll learn my strategy, and of course I'll practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay, so if you are joining me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis. Okay, my trading tools and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So we're starting with boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milk trading indicator to analyze right here. The market had been on downtrend for long, but it has been having a major pullback in between. Got to this support zone, and of course it's decided to buy for a while, but was unable to break out above the resistance zone, and of course this led to another downtrend. Okay, so it is selling at the moment, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Boom 500 started an uptrend right from here, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend right from there. You can see the red flag, the red arrows, and of course it has been selling since then, and it is still selling right now. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Crash 1000 started an uptrend right from it, kept on buying till it got to this resistance zone, but was unable to break out above that, so it started the downtrend right from there. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Of course it needs to break out below this support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it is possible for us to have another major pullback, which might want to get to the resistance zone to try it out again. But for now, it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. It was on uptrend, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, went back up again, still unable to break out from there, and of course it sold again, but it is still finding difficult to break out below this support zone, and of course it's having another pullback again. If it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then it will be trying out the support zone again. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be V75. This is volatility 75. Volatility 75 was on uptrend before, but so when it got to this resistance zone, it sold till it got to this region, was unable to break out below it, so it went back up, and of course it is selling again, and may be, it is most likely for it to be getting to this support zone again. If it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell till it get to this region, but if it does not, then it will go back up again. Okay, so this is still selling also. Okay, so we should take note of all this so that we will understand everything about the analysis before we go fully into it. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.